Now on these next two videos, we're going to have a look at a variation on equations called inequations or inequalities. So we're used to looking at things like x plus 3 being equal to 4, one clear and distinct solution. Obviously the answer would be 1. But we're not going to make it equal to 4. I'm going to look for an answer that's going to be greater than or equal to 4. How do you handle that? Absolutely no differently than how you've been handling them up until now. Just get rid of the plus 3 from the left by undoing it. So do take away 3 on both sides. 3 take 3 is 0, so I'm left with my unknown. Has to be the greater than or equal to positive 1. So any number that is greater than or equal to 1 will make this statement up here true. If we try it, let's try 2. Let's make x equal to 2. It's greater than 1. 2 plus 3 is 5. Is 5 greater than 4? Yes it is. It works. Now, that's all you've got to do. There's your algebraic solution. But I would also like you to do a graphical solution. And that's actually quite simple and straightforward. Just do a number line. Just mark in some very, very simple rudimentary scale. Now I want all values on my x-axis that are going to be on the greater than side of 1. So I circle the 1. Because it's equal, I'm actually going to colour the circle in. Then, to indicate that the 1's included. That acts like an arrowhead now that's greater than. So the greater than side, it's pointing to the right. So I put an arrow to the right. There's my graphical solution of this problem here. Now this one over here, I'm going to look for all values of x, so that 6x minus 7 is going to give me an answer that is less than 3x plus 5. Same as before. Just because your unknowns on different sides doesn't matter, we handle it the same way. Regather them on the same side. So I'm now left with, it will be 6, take 3 is 3, 3 lots of the unknown, take 7 is less than 5. Undo the take 7 by doing plus 7. So 3 lots of the unknown must be less than 12. The unknown must be less than 4. Pretty straightforward. Once again, graph that. 0, 4, just a rudimentary scale. Circle the 4. This time, 4 is not included because it's not equal. It doesn't say equal to 4, it says just less than 4. So the less than side, it's like an arrowhead pointing that way. So draw an arrow that way. Anything down here is a solution to your problem. 3 will be a solution to negative 5, negative 7. All of these put in here would be a solution to that. And that's inequalities part 1. Part 2 is just one very little twist that we've got to be aware of. And we'll look at that next video.